Hi children, we'll do some more subtraction and enjoy ourselves. Yes, now subtraction, but we are going to do vertical method like 3 minus 2 equal to 1, all vertical type like this. So we are doing subtraction vertical method. Okay, so we're going to enjoy today counting, minusing and finding the answer. It's very interesting. We'll count, we'll minus and we find the correct answer. Yes, shall we go to our first exercise? Good. I hope you enjoy. Look carefully. We have a box here. Lovely blue balloons are there in the box. Let's count together. How many blue balloons are there in this box? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balloons? 6. So we write the number here. There are 6 balloons in this box. How many? 6. Now we are going to take away. We are going to minus some balloons here. Okay. So 6 minus sign. Alright. Minus. What sign is this? Take away sign. Minus. 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3. What will be the answer? We are going to take away minus 3 balloons from here. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons we took away. What is the answer? 6 minus 3 gives you what answer? 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 3. How many balloons were in the box? 6. How many did you take away? 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3. How many left over? 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Did you enjoy doing this vertical method of subtraction, taking away? Yes, isn't it interesting? Good. Did you learn? Shall we take another exercise? Good. Here we are. Let's go to our next picture. There's a box again here. Let's count the number of balloons in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balloons are there in this box? There are 8 balloons in this box. What is the total number? 8. From this 8, we are going to take away. We are going to minus. What are we going to do? We are going to take away or minus few balloons. See for yourself. 8 minus, how many can we take away? 2. 8 numbers are there. We are going to take away 2 balloons from here. Shall we? Good. Here we go. 1, 2. 8 balloons we took away or minus 2. 1, 2. How many balloons left over? Count for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. 8 minus 2. How many left? 6. What is your answer? 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 2 gives you the answer 6. Very good. Did you like the sum? Did you enjoy the sum? The vertical method of subtraction. 8 take away 2 gives you 6. answer. Shall we go to another exercise? Good. Let's look at the pictures here. Again another box of balloons. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balloons are there in this box? There are 7 balloons in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write the number 7 here. This is number 7. So 7 balloons minus, we're going to take away some, okay? Minus, how many shall we take away? 7 minus 2 balloons. From the 7 balloons, how many we are going to remove? 2. Let's remove 2 now, and then we get, look at the answer. 1, 2. 7 balloons minus 1, 2. What is the number of balloons left over? 5. Let's count and see if our answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 2 gives you the answer 5. 7 take away 2 gives you the answer 5. Did you enjoy? Good. Now, let's go to another exercise and enjoy doing vertical method of subtraction. Look at the box. Let's count the number of beautiful blue balloons. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many balloons are there in this box? There are 10 balloons in this box. So we write the number 10 over here. 10 balloons in this box. This is number 10. So 10 balloons minus, we're going to take away some, okay? We're going to remove minus 10 minus 6 balloons, and let's see how many left over. So we're going to take away 6 balloons. Look carefully. 1 by 1 we're going to remove, alright? 10 minus 6. Good. Let's take away balloon 6 numbers from here. 1 we removed. 2, very good. 3 we took away. 4, 5 and 6. How many minus? 10 balloons minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 6 balloons. How many left over? What is your answer? Your answer is 4. Let's see if our answer is correct by counting the remaining balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Our answer is correct. There were 10 balloons. We took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 10 minus 6 gave us the right answer 4. 4 balloons left over. Okay? 10 minus 6 gives you the answer 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Good. Did you enjoy? Did you understand? Good. Shall we go to another exercise? Good. Here we are. There is another box of beautiful balloon. Will you count with me? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many blue balloons are there in this box? There are 9 balloons in this box. So we write here number 9. From this 9 balloons, we are going to minus. We are going to take away few balloons. 9 minus 2. What will be the answer? Let's check it out. 9 minus 2. How many we are going to take away from here? 2 balloons. 1, 2. There are 9 balloons minus 1, 2. So 9 take away 2. What is the answer? Good. You get answer 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Let's see if our answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 balloons. Vertical method of subtraction. 9 balloons minus 2 balloons gives you equal to 7 balloons left over. Good. Did you enjoy? Shall we take another exercise? Good. Let's look at the box of blue balloons and count them all. 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there? There are 5 balloons altogether. So we write the number 5 over here. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write the number 5 over there. Now, 5 balloons minus 3 balloons. We are going to minus 3 balloons. Okay? From this, we are going to take away 3 balloons. Look carefully as I take away 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 balloons are taken away. What is your answer? You get 2. 1, 2. What are you doing? Vertical method of subtraction. 5 balloons minus 3 balloons is equal to 2 balloons. That's the answer. 1, 2. 5 balloons minus 3 balloons equal to 2 balloons. Did you enjoy? Did you like doing subtraction, the vertical method? Good. So, shall we take another exercise? Good. Let's go to another exercise. Another box of blue balloons. Shall we count them? Good. Count with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many balloons are there in this box? There are 9 balloons. So we write number 9 over here. We have 9 balloons. So we write over here. What will we write? 9. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total of 9 balloons we have. Now from the 9 balloons, we're going to remove some. Minus 9 minus 1 balloon. 9 minus 1 is equal to, what is the number left over? What is the correct answer? 8. So 1 take away. 9 balloons minus 1 balloon. What is the answer? You get 8. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is correct. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Very good. Did you enjoy? Shall we go to another exercise? Look. Let's look at the box again and count them all carefully. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many balloons are there in this box? There are 10 balloons in this box. So we write over here number 10. 1 and 0, number 10. There are 10 balloons here. We write the number. Now, 10 minus 10 balloons minus one balloon will give you what? Answer? We will get 9 balloons. So we took away 1. The 10, take away 1, 9. Let's see if the answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct answer. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Very good. Shall we go to another exercise? Good. Look at this box of blue balloon. Shall we count it together? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many blue balloons are there in this box? 9. So we write number 9 here. 9 balloons, you write number. Now from this we are going to minus 9 minus 5. We are going to remove 5 balloons. 9 minus 5. Look carefully. Shall we minus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 5. What is the answer? What will you get left over? Answer 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Let's see if we have 4 balloons left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Very good. Did you enjoy? Did you learn? We learned today vertical method of subtraction. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Very good. Let's take another exercise. Look what we have. Let's count the number of balloons in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 balloons in this box and we write the number 8 over here. Yes, there are 8 balloons in this box. So we write number 8. 8 balloons minus, we're going to take away, okay? Minus 4 balloons. 8 balloons minus 4 balloons. Let's see what we'll get. We're going to take away now. Let's say we're going to take away 4 balloons from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We took away 4. 8 minus 4. What is your answer? 4. 8 take away 4 will give you answer 4. Let's see if you have 4 balloons left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 take away 4 gives you answer 4. Very good.